Hi, Group C. Good to see all of you. Hopefully everyone is well. Today we're going to do our SIPS lesson together. We're on extension number 11. Make sure you have your stories available. We'll be doing our reading together. We'll be reading My Fine Kids today. Okay, here we go. We're going to start with some blending. All right. B-er-ik. Blend. K-er-ash. Blend. T-er-ik. Blend. T-er-ak. Blend. B-l-ak. Blend. I'll tell you the name of a sound and you tell me the sound. For example, I'll say long E and you say E. Here we go. Long A, long E, long I, long O. Let's switch to the short sounds. Short A, short E, short I, short U, and short O. Okay. Boys and girls, I want to talk about the silent E, the final E. The E makes the vowel say its name. Sounds t, ache. Read, take. The E makes the A say its name. When we add ing to a word that has a final E, we have to drop the final E and add ing. When we add ing to the word ride, we have to drop the final E and add ing. Sounds, read. Sounds, read. Good. Sounds, read. When we add ing to the word skate, we have to drop the final E. Sounds, read. Good. With the magic E, when we add ing, we drop the final E. Okay. Let's review our sounds. Here's our magic E sounds. Here we go. Sound, 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 sound. Okay. Let's put all of our sounds together and practice some of our decodable words. Together, sound, I, d, ing. Read. Together, read, writing. Together, sounds, ch, o, k. Read, choke. Together, sounds, w, e, d, ing. Read. Together, read, wedding. Sounds, read. Sounds, read. sounds, read, sounds, read, sounds, read. Okay. We do have some new sight words. We have 3 new sight words. Here's our sight word sentences. We were doing our math. Were, read, spell, read. They don't ride the school bus. Sight word is don't. It's a contraction. It's short for do not. When we make a contraction, we have an apostrophe. The word is don't. Read, spell, D-O-N apostrophe T. Read, spell, read. Okay. Our final sight word is another contraction. He won't be late. Won't is short for would not. Read, spell, read. Okay. All right. Let's review all of our sight words. Read, sounds, read, spell, together read, were, spell, read. Read, spell, apostrophe, together read, won't, spell, read. Read, spell, together read, don't, spell, read. Read, 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 read. Let's get ready to read our story together. My fine kids, if you need to pause the video and turn to lesson 11. Here we go. Let's point to the title. Read, my fine kids. Read, what went on in my life? I will tell you. Read, this was on my wedding day. I wore a long white dress. I was carrying white roses. We are just biting into the wedding cake. Read, these are our children. Read, Dave ran and swam and played ball. Here he is running. His father is timing him. Dave did his best when someone was timing him. Here he is diving. Read, then we had twins, June and Bob. Twins, but not the same. No, no. Read, June was saving rocks and stones. She had all sizes of rocks, large and small. Here is June with a friend. Look at those piles of rocks. Every day June was trading rocks with her friend. Read, and Bob, what a child! If something was not safe, he wanted to try it. One day he went sliding down the hill and broke his hand. Then he was skating. He slipped and broke his leg. He was riding his bike and crashed. Read, here he is with a snake. He is waving at me. Every day he was bringing home wild things and caring for them. Look at these frogs. One day he put a frog down June's back. He was joking, but I was not smiling then. Read, we had a fine life. This is a great story to practice the magic E words and adding ing and ed to magic E words. I want you to notice those words when you're reading your story. Here are 2 questions that you can answer by underlining the text evidence. Question 1, what are some things the grandmother remembers? Well, she remembers a lot of things. So go ahead and find a couple of sentences that you could underline. Go ahead and pause the video. Question 2, how were her twins different from each other? Go ahead and underline the sentences that tell us how they are different. Hopefully everyone has a great day. I miss you all. Take care. Bye-bye.